Welcome to 2605 Alanmede. It's a beautiful ranch-style home, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, awesome family room and a great backyard in a super convenient location. If you have any questions about this home, want to see it in person, reach out to me. I'm Alex with eXp Realty.